Hello everyone, I want to give you a few tips on how to be more effective while recruiting licensed agents. This of course is if you are with Experior Financial Group and especially with the Icebreakers team of champions. So the first thing is you must target those licensed agents. And the two places where I find you're gonna be able to do that easier is in LinkedIn, of course, number one. So make sure that you have a professional profile in LinkedIn and that you know how to filter the companies where those agents are so that you can get very familiar with that platform. So you gotta do your homework and you have to have a target audience. The other way is through Facebook groups of licensed agents in the USA, and I recommend that you enter groups that have 10,000 members or more, okay? So on top of creating valuable content to give you credibility, if you're gonna be sending direct messages, so direct outreach, be very mindful of what you are writing, okay? Keep it short and simple. If you are in the Icebreakers team of champions, I have a few examples and scripts with texts of what I send, okay? Now, once you have the attention of those agents, make sure to invite them to a BTO, okay? A live BTO or a live answer and question session for licensed agents. Keep in mind that not every single BTO that we have at Experior is geared to our licensed agents, okay? So you don't wanna be making those agents enter a BTO that is for unlicensed people. What I recommend you to do is to send them to one of your EDs, BTOs for licensed agents. And if your ED is not running a BTO for licensed agents, maybe suggest that he or she does, okay? I do run BTOs for licensed agents. Normally, I've been running them in Spanish, but I'm gonna start running them in English soon. What I require from you, if you're in the Icebreakers, is that you bring people over to these BTOs, that you bring in licensed agents to these BTOs, so that it's also worth everyone's time. Otherwise, what you should be doing is sending a recorded BTO for licensed agents. You can find those in my YouTube channel, okay? So that's what you should be doing so that those agents really get all the information on the advantages that we have for them, whether they are personal producers or team builders. You don't wanna be wasting anyone's time, but especially your time and your upline's time. So be mindful of what you are sending. Also, if you are in the Icebreakers team of champions, I have created flip books, okay, with a presentation that I use. And I gotta say that I love my presentation because it's really helping me recruit and converting, okay? Yes, Experior has its own BTO slides, of course. I believe mine are quite optimized for licensed agents, so you can find it in the Harvard app, okay? And I have created also a flip book with questions and answers as well that help licensed agents understand our advantages. So take advantage of that. And if you're not in the Icebreakers team of champions, and you are in Experior, what I recommend is that you follow me on social media. There is a lot of valuable information that I always post there that can help you, okay? That you can share. Just obviously do not edit it, and you can just share it how it is, okay? Thank you so much, and I see you all at the top of success. Bye-bye.